Electric bicycles or e-bikes are becoming increasingly popular as an easy means of getting around without breaking a sweat. But with so many options on the market, it can be difficult to know which e-bike is the best for you. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at the best electric bicycles available in the market, their features and pricing. So, let's get started. Best overall e-bike, Cleverley Commuter S. The Cleverley Commuter S is designed by an Australian-owned company. Touted as the ultimate urban e-bike, the Commuter S ticks many boxes and is a well-designed and capable city bike. Its 250 Aventon 420 mid-drive motor with 80 N of torque has plenty of power to get you around town and up any sharp hill. Mid-drive motors can be more expensive than their hub cousins, but their benefits are clear outside of that. The Aventon 420 is positioned directly between the pedals of the Commuter S, which means the weight of the motor is positioned low and central, establishing load balance stability and offering a much more natural feel when riding. Additionally, the intelligence of the motor with the torque sensor and a synergistic connection with the gear set in turn means greater efficiency out of the integrated Samsung battery. Depending on the weight carried in hills, you get 40 to 95 km of range with the 14-amp battery and an impressive 60 to 110 km with the 17.5-amp battery on a 6-hour charge. Speaking of weight, the Commuter S has a rear rack capacity of 25 kilograms and a front rack capacity of 10 kilograms. It also supports user weights of up to 120 kilograms. Another thoughtful choice of functionality is the Engwe City internal hub gearing, an alternative to the more common derailleur gear systems. The internal gear hub is sealed in the hub of the rear wheel. Internal hub gears need less maintenance and have excellent reliability since you don't have to worry about water, dirt, or any other nasties getting into the system and damaging parts. Cleverley's gear system also features stepless gearing, allowing for seamless shifting between gears and a smoother and more efficient ride. This also eliminates the need for predefined gear ratios and enables riders to fine-tune their pedaling effort to the terrain, optimizing energy usage and reducing wear and tear on the bike's components. Now, with all of the technical talk out of the way, let's talk about utility value. It's clear that convenience is a significant design consideration for Cleverley. The modular rack system, which comes standard across the range, provides riders plenty of carrying flexibility and capability. The Commuter S is also fitted with mudguards, integrated lighting, and a bell, and is delivered to your door 95% assembled. So as long as you have a pump, you'll be ready to ride straight out of the box. Second best rated e-bike, Aventon Level 2 Step-Through. The Aventon Level 2 Step-Through is the flagship e-bike from Aventon. It is one of the most innovative electric bikes available and packs a ton of features to make your commute easy and very convenient. For starters, the 24 kilograms electric bike features torque sensor technology for easy paddling, a powerful 500 Dohm motor that can max out at 750 W when necessary, 5 pedal assist modes, hydraulic brakes, and a removable battery that can power a journey of up to 97 kilometers on 4 to 5 hours charging time. The electric bike also has a front fork suspension that protects the front tires from bumps, keeps the tire in contact with the ground for better control, and absorbs large shocks when landing jumps. Aventon's electric bike has a color LCD screen and a dedicated app that displays your speed and other vitals when on the road. Speaking of speed, the 500 Dohm motor is capable of powering up to 32 km/h or 45 km/h when combined with the pedal assist. On its own, the Aventon Level 2 electric bike is rivaled by many options on this list, most of which max out at 35 km/h on motor power. The Level 2 Step-Through electric bike also comes in 2 sizes and colors to choose from on purchase. You get to choose between Polar and Himalayan as color options. Similarly, folks between the height of 125 to 174 centimeters can choose the small to medium size option, whilst those from 177 to 189 centimeters can opt for the medium to large size model. You can expect accessories like front fenders, front and rear lights, and a rear rack as part of the package that is shipped together with a 1-year warranty. Best folding e-bike. Engwe Engine Pro Electric Bike. For a versatile folding e-bike option, choose the Engwe Engine Pro Electric Bike. The Engine Pro Electric Bike is styled in a 6061 aluminum alloy frame, features a mechanical lock front suspension fork, adjustable seat and handlebar, a lightweight and efficient design, and a 20-inch wheel suited to both urban and trail environments. The 750 kW brushless gear motor on the Engwe foldable electric bike is also one of the most powerful on our list. It rivals our top-rated e-bike and has a speed of up to 40 km/h to top it up. The e-bike also includes front and rear disc brakes and an 8-speed system to travel at your ideal speed. On a single charge, 5.5 hours, you can travel up to 120 kilometers before needing to charge. Plus, regardless of where your battery shuts down, you can always switch to manual pedaling and find your way back home. We chose the Engwe Engine Pro electric bike for its foldability, obviously, but also more so for its ergonomics when folded. When folded, it is easy and convenient to pack, store, and carry along, with dimensions of 81 x 76 centimeters. Weighing only 31 kilograms, Engwe has a maximum user weight of 150 kilograms. On purchase, the e-bike comes 75% pre-assembled and includes a battery charger and user manual. You also get a 1-year warranty that isn't limited to parts of the foldable electric bike. Best e-bike for many speed options. NCM Moscow Plus Electric Bike. The NCM Moscow Plus electric bike is a mountain bike with a 250 kW Daskit X15 rear drive motor and one of the biggest wheel sizes. This quality bike features Shimano, Tektro, and other top bike components. It has a strong and durable frame and fork made of 100% aluminum. The wheel is 29 inches with 0.23 meters in width. The grips are ergonomically fashioned for comfort. NCM Moscow Plus e-bike is designed for top performance with 24 speeds, second only to the X001 electric bike. This is why it earned the badge of our best pick for speed options. It has a Shimano Acera crankset and rear derailleur. The brake system uses Tektro hydraulic discs with 180 mm rotors. Talking about modern displays, it has an LCD with a trip distance function. This electric bike is well powered with a D-Hawk removable 48V lithium-ion battery. It supports up to 128 kilometers of power-assisted travel. In addition, it has a USB port for charging phones or other devices. It is also a great mountain bike option, but it stands out more with its varied speed levels. Best e-bike for long mileage. HIMO C26 electric bike. The HIMO C26 electric bike is made for mileage. It can accumulate up to 100 kilometers assist mileage and 60 kilometers power mileage, which is quite more than most picks on this list. It also includes a 3-speed running mode powered with 1-button switch by a Shimano 7-speed gear and has a 250 kW rear hub motor capable of a maximum speed of 25 km/h. The frame and fork, with a shock absorption feature, are made of aluminum alloy and carry up to 100 kilograms user weight. The brake system is a dual mechanical disc that works excellently. It is perfect as a low-profile option for all genders. The wheel is also 26 inches with Kian D8 pneumatic tires. HIMO C26 has a removable 48V10 lithium battery with a 5 to 6 hours charge time. The battery has a 650 cycle lifespan. There is a support pedal for assisted riding, and it can cruise at a fixed speed. And the saddle is adjustable to suit different heights. The electric bike, like most others, has a headlamp fitted for night riding. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watch reviews and news. See you next time.